on, guys? Poke Plus here, and today we're going to be opening 8 packs of Evelutions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just picked these up at my local Target. I don't know what's in them. I got a trade from forgot his name, but he traded me 8 Pokemon packs for both, and he traded me 12 Evolutions packs. I think I've sold all 8, all 12 I meant. All 12 Evolution, oops. 2, 3, I won't do the comments, it's just too boring. Anyways. Let's get back to the video. Energy Retrieval, Kakuna, Slowbo Spirit Link, Rattata, and a Dugong. I traded about 2,150. Oh, you guys can have this code. 2,150 Pokemon cards for 12 packs of Evolutions, and I sold them to get more things that I need for wholesale. Oh, and a Ninetales haul. Oh, no way! No way! Oh my god, guys! I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There, you guys can see it. It's an error card. This is what I've been looking for. No way! I got an error card, guys. So cool. You guys can see the sparkle on the card. Yo, I'm gonna sleeve that up after I finish the video, like, immediately, man. Holy crap. I didn't think I'd get that. I thought it was just normal and then it just flashed at me. That's insane. Oops. I'm just gonna. Oh, sick! A holo, reverse holo. That's awesome. Another green code. I'm just gonna flare through them. Nothing at all. I'm so psyched about that one holo. They're not that expensive. I don't know if I haven't checked their price yet, but they're very rare. I haven't seen a lot of them. I'm gonna fan through these ones. Oh, yes! Yes, I need that. Anyways, nothing good there. You guys can have the code. The last 3 packs. Please, I want one of the Charizards, man. I haven't gotten a Charizard out of this set, except an EX Mega Evolution. Oh, white code. I'm not gonna fan through the cards this time. I just want one Charizard, man. Yo! No way! I don't have this card. That's so sick. Oh, dude, this is one of the best pack openings I've had so far in a while. I haven't got any good luck, except on online. Pretty crap. Second to last pack, another white code. What are we gonna get? Please be a holo. Evolution Splurry, double colorless energy, I'll take that. Charmander. Oh, no way, another reverse holo rare. And a Chansey. Is this another one of those error cards? No. Last pack. Please be a white code. I think it's a white code, guys. It's a white code. his term. Oh, and an Executor rare. Take that, Charmander, and... Oh, yo, no, this is insane, guys. This is insane. This is too much. 2 Brock's Grit in 8 packs. And a Chansey Hollow. A Gyarados Reverse. A DCE Reverse Rare. Reverse. Another Reverse Rare. And the best card that I've pulled in a long ass time. Sorry for my language if you mind. This is insane. There, you guys can see it even better. I'm gonna zoom in. Here, let me turn my light on. Never mind. Here, let me try to go. Let me put it in an angle where you guys can see it. There you go. There you go. That's sick. Alright, let me go put these all in sleeves. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be posting this on New Year's Eve. On New Year's Day, I meant. So, I guess I hope you guys subscribe, like, and leave a comment. That'd be wonderful. Alright, thanks you guys for watching. Have a nice day.